Hello there, I'm Gav.
I'm Dan.
We're the Slow Mo Guys. Dan, what would you say is the most interesting natural disaster?
I'm quite impressed by things like tornadoes.
Tornadoes,
pretty
good.
cool.
I quite like wildfire.
What? Should we sort of combine the two?
Melting pot. The fire tornado is actually, surprisingly, a naturally occurring event. Pretty rare.
Pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. So we're going to recreate it with about 12 box fans in a circle and some fire.
Hello. Okay, so we've got about ½ an inch of kerosene in there. Just going to light it, step back and let it build up, and then we'll turn the fans on, okay?
All right, I'm ready on Phantom.
Here we go.
Yeah, that's lit.
Okay, just let it build up.
Go for it.
Yeah. Oh, sweet. That's like 10 foot there. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that.
That's class.
That's cool.
That got really high.
Yeah.
Feel it heat.
Yeah, it's like it wasn't hot enough. Look at that. It's literally a perfect spiral. Look at that. That's wicked.
Well, Dan, I'm not being funny. That looked phenomenal.
Yeah, looks amazing, doesn't it?
I'm always waffling on about how liquids and flame looks good. Spinning flame, even better. I think from now on, all flame should be spinning.
Yeah, it looked so good. I just wanted to eat it. It was,
It did look good enough.
Looks so
to eat.
smooth.
I've never wanted to eat fire before.
yeah, it looks so
It was
nice.
golden. Did you get singed?
Actually, for once, I didn't lose any arm hair, no eyebrows, no hair, nothing. I was all right.
We played it
Quite
safe.
happy with that.
Feel free to follow us on Twitter, buy a shirt. Thank you very much for watching.
Yeah.
See you next time.